Oh, he's taking a little PB over there. Oh, he's taking a little PB too. Damen Silos are over there. You can almost see them, kinda. They're tearing those fucking bitches down. So we're gonna go on a quick little adventure. This will probably be the last adventure that we ever do here. Unless, you know, somehow they don't tear them down right away and we're like, fuck it, let's go again. But yeah, you know, it's the end of an era. I think I had one of my first adventures here. This is where the security would be normally, so keep your eye open.
That's what I'm about to look at. That's exactly what I was going to look at.
It was a free trailer.
Should have gave us some hands.
Where'd you come in?
Air Maxes.
Be alright. Oh damn, we could just went that way.
Watch out for these stairs right here. Never, one step of...
Be careful, Alonzo. Okay, go ahead.
God damn.
This is the kind of shit that we deal with in these dilapidated buildings. Whoa. Yeah, you're dead if you fall down there. You're so dead. Every time I go to an abandoned place, look at there's just like a forest in here.
Yeah, dude, nature takes over.
Yeah.
Kind of like it. It's cool.
Nature do be taking over. Come on, Alonzo, just fall for the video, dude.
Holy fuck, I'm over.
Just fall for the video, bro. Come on.
Right to the top.
I'll climb the
Right to the
top.
top.
Definitely not climbing to the top.
It shakes. You see that shaking? You see that shaking?
Dude, he's like 100 feet up right now. Holy shit. Let's get over there. Let's see if we can get down into anywhere if it's all blocked off or what. God. That's not funny. You want to make me shit myself.
Watch out! Watch out! Oh, watch out!
So anticlimactic.
That was awesome, though. It feels so good.
We did get it.
All right, call the ravers. Back on. Where was this thing?
Hey, I see a kind of a way in right here.
Yeah, I'm saying we make a new way and like just tear some shit down.
Look at that.
This is chicken wire?
Yeah.
What is
See if that part goes in.
it? It does.
You gonna try to take it out? Try it.
Go more towards here. I'll take the center block out.
Go more to the right. You're right on it.
Watch out.
Holy
I'll push
fuck.
it.
Watch out, there's one more bolt. There's one more bolt.
Oh, there is?
It's right here.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
That was close.
that was close.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh shit.
Alright, so when you guys walk in, there's gonna be a hole over here. Be careful.
Just avoid the fucking hole. You have to climb out this window right here. Literally go up and the fire escape was right around here. That's sad, dude. It's gone.
Walk
Couldn't
in
even get
with
up
the
here if we
sun
wanted.
Straight in your face.
Yep.
Wait.
Yeah, you gotta feed it.
Yeah.
No one's ever done this before. Watch this.
Alright. Push it.
Remember climbing through the window?
We could get in that way. They just
Or we could get in there and then we could set up milk crates so they can like, you know, drop on. Do the milk crate challenge.
try that.
You got it. Right my shit. Ready? Yep.
Yeah, that's what you want to cross Mason? Is this the way you want to go? You want to do it?
Dandito.
This is like an underground utopia.
We're in a little underground utopia right now. Yeah, they're tearing this place down, so. You get a little, gotta give it a kiss one last time. Oh, we still could.
Jesus Christ. They lived in squalor.
They even have the place to hang up the shirts.
Go lay down on it.
Oh, we do have to pay $1 million for this shit. Give me this side.
This is dirty as fuck. Oh. It's so gross stepping in it.
I just want to know if someone knows how to get out of
I
here.
know exactly how to get out.
All right, I trust you.
It's just
I
that
have no
corner.
sense of direction.
As long as we're in that corner.
Is it you? You motherfucker. I didn't see shit. You motherfucker.
Holy shit.
Watch.
That's crazy. This is where I think someone died. They fell on one of these ladders.
Yeah.
And then they found their body in there like weeks later.
And when you think it, it's not.
Dude, the echo in this thing is crazy.
Just takes down this whole thing.
Whoa. Hands are nasty. You can see the dust now.
Yep. The more fun we have, the more dust there is.
Huh? Oh wait.
Yeah, they're on the opposite side.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
5-0, 5-0, 5-0. You said there's 5-0. Oh, right there, right there. What happened?
Oh, we just some random dude met up with us.
I saw a truck.
Oh yeah, we got that truck.
Can you see it? Oh, my arm's all bumpy. I think I went through some poison ivy or something. Well, yep, you just saw it. We had to fucking dip because the cops came. Nice final send-off. Some fun.
Bro, there ain't shit on me.
Nah, you look good.
Fucking 3 ticks.
You had 3 ticks on him. Ah, my arms are burning.
What the?
See it?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Oh my god.
It's bad.
It's water, right?
No, it's just bumps.
Those aren't bumps, Mason.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ah.
Nice. You definitely.
No, I don't see any ticks on you. Your brother just messaged me, said come over for some food.